How's it going, Lily?
Good.
Yeah? All right, so today we're going to draw jellyfish. All right? So first, we're going to draw just a simple round shape, okay? So let's start from here and wrap it around like that. Good job, Lily. And then at the bottom here, we're going to do like quick little circles, okay? You can vary in sizes. So do you like jellyfish, Lily?
Yeah.
And why do you like jellyfish?
If it doesn't sting me, I like them.
Oh, if it doesn't sting you? Okay. So next we're going to draw the eyes, okay? So nice big eyes, because it'd be nice to have a cute jellyfish, okay? Big eye there, and another big eye there. And then pupils, okay? So nice big pupils. You can do highlights in the eyes. Okay? And little circles like that. And then fill it in, okay?
Yeah. So
what's your favorite stuff to draw, Lily?
Snails and stuff.
Snails and stuff. So what is stuff that you like to draw?
Like stuffies and
Stuffies,
food.
okay. Food. And what's your favorite thing to do in clay class that you like to do, to create?
I like doing the clay part.
The clay parts? Okay. So next, I'm going to do eyelashes, okay? So nice big eyelashes. Okay. Nice, though.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. You're an expert. And then a little smile, okay? There you go. Bloop. Great. And then next we do what are these things called at the bottom here? Tentacles. You're right. Nice. Different sizes. Doesn't have to be perfect, okay? We're just having fun right now, right? So keep it loose and fun.
I think I made mine too long.
No, it's pretty cool actually. I like it. Okay. Lil, what do we do next? Maybe a bow at the top? I'm going to probably try a different color with mine for a bow, okay?
Yeah.
You don't have to, but I'm going to, okay? So I'm going to do a little bow at the top like this, a little circle like that. And then I'm going to do a big, and I know you like to draw your bows different than mine, but I'm going to draw it like that, okay?
Yeah.
And another shape like that. Okay? And then I might do little circles. Like that.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
The cheeks.
The cheeks. I might color the cheeks later though.
Oh.
So let's use some colors and I might do the eyes first, like the color of the eye. Maybe I'm going to do like a green or something like that. Just around the eyes. Let's see.
I think I'm going to do a pink.
You're going to do pink? I'm going to just do it like this. Watch. Just on the outside like that. You don't have to, but I'm going to do it like that. You have nice green eyes. Cool?
Yeah.
It's great. And then we're going to color it. So we can use any colors that we want. So what are you thinking to color yours? Purple or? I'm going to use pencil. I'm going to use crayons for this one though.
Oh, I think I'm going to make mine pink.
Pink? That's good.
I also think I'm going to color the eyes
black. Black? Okay. I am going to color mine pink, maybe too. Let's see how this looks. This is pretty cool. Right, like that. Nice, well.
Thank you.
So you're having fun in the classes, though?
Yeah.
Yeah? Making friends.
Yeah.
That's good. You like drawing and clay or just both? Or
Both.
do you like both?
Mm.
That's all right.
Clay is a teensy bit better.
Clay is a teensy bit better.
Yeah, but I still like the drawing.
Mm.
It's a good exercise for your hands before you
Oh.
do clay.
Oh, wow. And what's your favorite cartoons that you like? You have favorite cartoons?
Looney Tunes. Like
How about recent cartoons? Is there any recent cartoons that you like?
the K-pop Demon Hunters count?
What's it called?
K-pop Demon Hunters.
Well,
Would
of
that
course.
count as a show?
Yeah, as a movie, that's okay. So you like K-pop as your number one?
Yeah.
Okay. That's great. And how many times do you think you've watched it?
More than 10.
More than 10?
I'm not sure. Too much.
Too much. That's okay.
In a good way.
Yeah, of course. Of course, in a good way. That's good, though. And what's your favorite character in that show?
All of them.
Come on, there's got to be at least one, no?
I think Zoe
Zoe?
and Rumi.
Gumi. Looking for a purple for the bow. What's a good purple you think I should use? This one?
A light purple.
Light purple. I don't know if this is light. What do you think of that? It's good?
Yeah.
Okay. That's pretty cool, yeah. What's your favorite foods?
Mango.
Mangoes? Do you like to draw mangoes too, or just do you like to eat them?
Mangoes are interesting to draw, but I still like drawing them.
Mangoes?
Yeah.
Mm.
They're cool to draw.
They're cool to draw?
Yeah. Nice and fresh to draw.
Oh. And how's school going for you?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You enjoying it?
We didn't really start any work yet,
Oh, okay.
except for art.
Except for art?
Yeah.
And what did you create in art?
We did like self-portraits, like half how you look like and half what you're like.
Ah, did you like doing that?
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool. I think I'm gonna do. Let's see how this looks. How's that look? It's pretty cute, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then add some like highlights, I guess. Like okay, and then next, since it's underwater, maybe some little bubbles. Right?
And then sand.
Sand. Some sand. You're so smart.
And seaweed.
So smart, Lily. Here, let's check this. Some seaweed. Some seaweed.
Very swooshy.
Hmm?
It's very swooshy when you draw seaweed. Is this green or yellow? Oh, yellow.
Okay. Which color should I? Okay, I see it. I was gonna use the orange or like an orange yellow for the sand over here. I know, fancy, right?
Fancy.
Fancy. Okay. And what do you think? Are we done?
Yeah.
Do you like it? We should sign it. Yeah?
Sure.
Okay. So saying Adam is the best. No? Okay. No, okay, good. All right, go for it. All right, let me sign mine. That's great, Lil. Okay, I'll sign mine maybe over here. Done. And that is a jellyfish. Adam is the best. Thank you. High five, buddy. That's all right. All right, let's see it. Good job.
Thank you.
It was fun.
Yeah.